This summer, I am interning with the Ashland Police Department. I've had more fun than I could ever imagine. Not only fun, but I've learned so much more than I thought that I would. Ben Fortner at the Edge Career Center emailed me one day with this random opportunity, and I was like, you know what? Sure, let's do it. And it's turned out to be one of the greatest things I've ever done academically.
Our interns don't sit here at the copier making copies. They're not here in the office. They're not doing that stuff. They're out riding along with our officers. They're riding along with our investigators. They go on calls. Somebody gets arrested, they go to the jail with the officer and the suspect that was arrested.
I've done a bunch of community outreach as well. We've done CONA with a cop. I go to court. I either observe general district or juvenile domestic relations court.
And they get exposed to all that. And it gives them a really good holistic idea for what police work is.
Before this internship, I never really had the desire to enter law enforcement or the police world, but it's truly changed my life. It's opened my eyes to a possibility of I could be doing this. I could be good at this job and I could do this.
What you can't fake, nor can we make somebody have is enthusiasm. And her level of enthusiasm is at the top, and that's very gratifying.
Randolph-Macon has exceptionally prepared me for my future, I will say, and I think that has solely to do with the close relationships that you can make at Randolph-Macon, like with the connections. Like without the connection between APD and Randolph-Macon, I probably wouldn't have known this internship existed. I would definitely say that if I hadn't have taken this internship, I wouldn't have experienced this life-changing epiphany that I have over these past 2 months. So really just taking chances and literally saying yes to everything, it'll change your life.